Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
The Fox and the Goats. Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived a clever fox named Freddy and a playful group of goats. Freddy, with his bright orange fur and sparkling eyes, always had a mischievous glint in them. The goats, led by Gracie, were a friendly bunch who loved to graze and play together. One day, Freddy watched the goats munching on the tasty grass and had a cunning idea. "I'll pretend to be a wise old goat and join their group," thought Freddy. So, the next day, he approached the goats with a friendly smile. "Hello, my friends. I am Grandpa Goat, and I've heard this meadow has the juiciest grass. Mind if I join you?" The goats welcomed Grandpa Goat into their herd, unaware of Freddy's true identity. The sly fox played along, sharing jokes and stories, endearing himself to the goats. Days passed, and the goats grew fond of Grandpa Goat. One evening, as they gathered near a rocky hill, Freddy revealed his true self with a mischievous laugh. The goats were startled, but Freddy reassured them. "I may be a fox, but I've enjoyed your company so much that I want to be your friend for real. No tricks, I promise." The goats, seeing the sincerity in Freddy's eyes, forgave him. From that day on, the fox and the goats lived as true friends, sharing laughter and adventures in the meadow. And whenever Freddy felt mischievous, he'd remember the value of genuine friendship and put his cleverness to better use.